सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 195। भ्रान्तिं विना त्वसङ्गस्य निष्क्रियस्य निराकृतेः न घटेतार्थसम्बन्धः नभसो नीलतादिवत्। शंकराचार्य having dealt with anatma, whatever I am seeing is anatma, that anatma is mithya, unreal. It has no independent existence of its own, but taking that anatma, that means whatever I see, that anatma, if I look at it as real, मिथ्या वस्तुनि सत्यत्व बुद्धिः। I think that is real, which is not real. When I see that reality in the unreal things, it is only Bhranti. How can you see the reality in unreal things unless there is Bhranti, confusion, wrong perception? If there is wrong perception alone, that is possible. If there is wrong perception, tappana parvai, and the parvai moolamada in the seeing the reality in the unreal things, that alone is called Bhranti, Bhrama. For that Shankaracharya used many examples. When magician doing so many things, you really take it that is real, but it is not real. That is a type of Bhranti. Here in this shloka, Nabhaso Neelatadivat. Nabhasaha means Akasha, the sky. Neelata means blueness. Just as you are seeing the blueness in the sky, where there is no blueness really. Then why I am seeing the blueness? Because of Brahma. It is mistake of your eyes. Blue sky, we say. Sky blue saree. So fond of that color. ஸ்கை ப்ளூவே கிடையாது. வேர் இஸ் த ஸ்கை ப்ளூ சாரி? என்ன so when there is no blue sky, I am seeing the blue sky, it must be a bhranti. So therefore this space has no attachment with anything. It cannot have an attachment. When can you have attachment? If you have avayava, you can hold on to certain things. You can have attachment. Avayame illiye. Space has no parts at all. How can it have a color, attribute? So asangasya nishkriyasya. Suppose அங்கெங்கேயாவது ப்ளூனஸ் இருக்கு, நான் கொஞ்சம் உள்ளவா அங்கே போய் ஒட்டிக்கிறேன் அதில், so that I will become blue. And space cannot move, it cannot do any action to become a blue sky. Niskriya, asangaha, nirakrite, there is no akriti for space. Enna akriti irukke? What form the space has got? Tell me. ஏதாவது ஆக்கிருதி இருக்க ஸ்பேஸுக்கு? ஸ்கைக்கு ஏதாவது ஆக்கிருதி இருக்க? சின்ன வயசுல we are thinking there is something sky, all stars are sticking to that sky. நீங்க போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம், ஒன்றும் இருக்காது அதில். நிராக்கிருதேஹே. So same way this Atma is also asangaha, nishkriyaha, nirakaraha. There is no akriti for that Atma. Na ghateta artha sambandha. Artha sambandha means relationship with objective world is impossible in the case of Atma. In the case of this space itself is not possible. What to talk of Atma? Na ghateta, it is not possible. Artha sambandha, not possible at all. Relationship with the objective world is not possible. So therefore the jivatvam is also a misnomer, is a misconception. I became a jiva, miserable jiva. You have never become a miserable jiva. And thinking that notion, I am a miserable jiva, I have fallen down from my nature, Paramatma. This is the notion only. It has never happened actually. It is impossible. Na ghateta artha sambandha. ஆத்மாக்கு எப்படி இந்த சம்பந்தம் வர முடியும்? So ஜீவத்வம், the limitation also is only your bhranti. Therefore that bhranti is anadihi but santaha. It has an end. Up to here we saw in the last class. Shloka number 196. Swasya drashtur nirgunasya kriyasya pratyak bodhananda rupasya buddhehe भ्रान्त्या प्राप्तो जीव भावो न सत्यः मोहापायेनास्य वस्तु स्वभावात् स्वस्य means Paramatmanaha. Drashtuhu means Sakshi. Sakshinaha Paramatmanaha What type of Sakshi? This Paramatma? Nirguna. Nirgunasya. Guna rahitaha. No sattva guna, no rajo guna, no tamo guna. Nirgunaha. Guna rahitaha. Akriyasya. Kriya rahitaha. There is no action involved in Paramatma at all. Why people say then this is all the job of Paramatma, Bhagavan only doing, Paramatma only doing our Leela? That is a Bhranti. Swamini, how can you say it is Bhranti? All Puranas talking, great people are also talking. How can you negate that statement? Yes, Puranas will talk, great people also talk for the sake of immature people. It is required, they have to talk, then only they will understand. Outright you cannot say it is everything is Bhranti. Sonna teacher ku Bhranti and sollu. பாவம் அந்த அம்மாக்கு என்னமோ பிராந்தி, அதனால இதெல்லாம் பிராந்தின்னு சொல்றான். ஏன்னா ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கேன் நெவர் அக்செப்ட் இட் இஸ் பிராந்தி பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் டான்ஜிபிளி ரியல், 100% ரியல். நீங்க என்னென்ன பண்ணுக்கோங்க, நான் வரமாட்டேன் கிளாஸுக்கு போயிடுவான். நோ டீச்சர் வில் கெட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். So Shastra knows that. Therefore, these are all only for mature people. Vedanta is not for immature people. I often say the same sentence. This is only for a thinking people, quality-minded people. This is not digestible, assimilable to all people. This Vedanta class is only for a specific group of people in the society. Because of lot of Purva Janma, Punya, Sukrita, their minds are prepared to listen to these topics. Exclusive. Therefore, never compare with all people. A Vedantic listener is entirely different from the society. He can never mix the worldly people's thoughts. Very, very difficult. That's why some students come and ask, what Swamini? I am feeling as though I am away from the society. People are seeing me separately. அப்படிதா என்ன பண்றது? Because your level of thinking is different. Your attitude is different. Their attitude is different. You cannot do anything. Of course, they are our own family members. You have to put up with them. Because there is a level of thinking, there is lot of discrimination in the mind of this thinking person. Viveka is there. It is not visible just like that. Even the student cannot recognize that. It takes time, lot of time. Therefore, swasya drashtuhu nirgunasya nishkriyasya pratyak bodhanandha rupasya. Pratyak bodha. Bodha means knowledge. Jnanam anantam. Ananda swarupam. Bodha anandam. This Paramatma, Sakshi, Nirgunaha, Nishkriyaha, Anandaswarupaha, Bodhaswarupaha, Jnanaswarupaha. Pratyak means inner. Inner essence of everyone. Pratyak Bodhananda Rupasya. Jiva Bhavaha, such పరమాత్మనః సాక్షి నిర్గుణः నిష్క్రియः ప్రత్యక్ బోధానంద స్వరూపः. அவருக்கு எப்படி இந்த ஜீவத்வம் வந்தது? ஜீவபாவகன்னா ஒன்றும் இல்லை, சின்ன வேலை. என்னென்ன? புத்தேஹே பிராந்தியா பிராப்தா. இவ்வளவு பெரிய வேலை என்னப்பா நடந்ததுன்னா ஒன்றும் இல்லை, புத்திக்குள்ள கொஞ்சம் அப்படி இப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ். புத்தேஹே பிராந்தியா, the confusion in the intellect of that person alone, this bhranti has happened. And the bhranti nikkanam, you have to remove that bhranti. How will you remove, Swamini? எத்தனை நாள் ஆகும் சொல்லுங்க, சீக்கிரமா ரிமூவ் பண்ணுங்களே. சொல்ல முடியாது. No doctor can say this month medicine will work so many days, you will be get cured. யாரும் எந்த டாக்டராவது சொல்ல முடியுமா? யூஸ் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம், we'll see. என்ன அதே மாதிரி இந்த சாஸ்திர ஔஷதம் ஆல்சோ we do not know how it works for different பவ சம்சார ரோகி. ஏன்னா அங்கே அவர் அந்த டிசீஸ், நமக்கு என்ன டிசீஸ்? என்ன சம்சாரமே ஒரு பெரிய டிசீஸ். அஜ்ஞானம், இன்செக்யூரிட்டி, ஆல் திஸ் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் டிசீஸ். இந்த டிசீஸ் எல்லாம் போகணும்னா, வியாதி எல்லாம் போகணும்னா சாஸ்திரம், ஔஷதம். So the bhranti should go away, that which is caused by Vijnanamaya Kosha. Buddhehe means Vijnanamaya Kosha. Physical Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, there is no problem. I told you, no? Nose will never think I am a sharp. Nose will never think. The skin also never think I have a white complexion, I am a fair complexion, I am a black complexion. It never think. The buddhi is the decider. Buddhi is the decider. அதெல்லாம் புத்தியில் நடக்கிற வேலை. இந்த உடம்புக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியாது, எவ்வளோ ஹைட் இருக்கா, எந்த காம்ப்ளெக்ஷன், என்ன படிச்சிருக்கா, ஒன்றும் தெரியாது. அந்த காம்ப்ளெக்சிட்டி எல்லாமே புத்தியில் தான் நடக்கிறது. So therefore buddhehe bhrantya praptah jiva bhavaha. This jiva bhavaha is na satyaha. This is not real. Why? Because it is born out of buddhi's bhranti. Na satyaha. If it is satyaha, it will never go away. Since it is asatyaha, na satyaha means asatyaha, unreal. Therefore, moha apayena. Apaye, that means when that moha goes away, moha apaye, the delusion gone by Shastra Vicharana, studying scriptures from the teacher. Moha apaya, how is it possible? How the delusion will go? Only Guru Vakya Upadesha Dvara Eva. Consistent, systematic study of scriptures under a competent teacher for a length of time, only Mohapaya is possible. What is the clause? If I am qualified. If I am a sadhana chatushtaya sampanna, adi pottukanum bracket la. Swami na padichinde irukken, romba varshama ondinde irukken. That won't work. If I am a sadhana chatushtaya sampanna, viveka vairagya shamadamadi shakka sampatti mumukshutvam irundal, irundu shravanam panninal, மனனம் நிதித்தியாசனம் பண்ணினால் அப்போதா இந்த பிராந்தி போய் மோக அபாயே நாஸ்தி நாஸ்தி ஸ்வபாவாத். The vastu nasti avastu swabhavat. That vastu, whatever is I am seeing, that jivatva bhavana, jiva bhavana, it is swabhavat nasti eva. It is avastu eva. It has no existence of its own. because by its nature it is not there. Just as the rope and that snake I am seeing, swabhavat sarpaha nasti eva. Really speaking, there is no sarpa. Therefore, adhe madre mohapaye, once the bhranti goes, you come to know there is no jivatvam at all. Just as you say there is no snake at all, you will say there is no jivatvam also. Next shloka. And the praptaha is, we can translate it as kalpitaha anartham. This is our imagination, our kalpana. Shloka number 197. Yavad bhrantistavanevasya sattam मिथ्याज्ञानो जुम्भितस्य प्रमादात् रज्ज्वां सर्पो भ्रान्तिकालीन एव भ्रान्तिर्नाशेनैव सर्पोऽपि तद्वत्. Yavad bhrantihi, as long as there is bhranti, confusion, delusion, kalpana, imagination, this is kalpana, this is imagination, I do not know. In the beginning, as a ajnani, I do not know this is a kalpana. I do not know I am suffering. I have a mental uneasiness, some type of problem, ஏதோ ஒரு குறை மாதிரி இருந்தது தவிர இது எல்லாமே என்னுடைய கல்பனை மூலமா வருதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. How come to I know that? By Guru, Shastra. For your dukkha, the karanam is your brahma, your bhranti. The Guru will tell. How Guru says? Guru has studied Shastra. Shastra says, for human problem, the pain, the suffering is nothing but his own kalpana. Once I attend the classes, I will slowly try to accept. Maybe, oh, என்னோட துக்கத்துக்கு இதுதான் காரணம் இருக்கலாம் అని ஒரு தோணும். கிளாஸுக்கே வரலன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த கஷ்டத்திலேயே ஐ எம் gone living in that and I feel so frustrated in the life. யாராவது வந்து கொஞ்சம் நமக்கு லைஃப்பில் கொஞ்சம் ஆனந்தம் கொடுக்கக்கூடாதோன்னா எப்படி கொடுக்க முடியும்? அது கொடுக்கணும் அது நமக்கு டிசைர் இருந்தால் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? தேடுவோம். வில் see the religious காலம். இங்கே யாராவது சொல்லுவாங்களோ? சொல்லுவான், யூ கேன் கோ டு த கிளாஸ் அண்ட் லிசன். ஒரு நாள் 2 நாளில் போகாது. இட் டேக்ஸ் இயர்ஸ். ஸோ த பர்சன் கம் டு நோ my own misconception, my own wrong perception is the cause for my sorrow. So yavat kalam, yavat bhrantihi tavadeva asya satta. Asya satta means asya jeevasya satta. இந்த ஜீவத்வம் பாவனை. என்ன ஜீவத்வம்னா? லிமிட்டேஷன், ஃபைனிட்யூட், டிஸ்சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன், அதிருப்தி, துக்கம், பயம், worry about future, all this come under jivatvam. Jivatvam is nothing but limitation. என்ன ஜீவத்வம்னா டெஃபினேஷன் என்ன சுவாமி? ஜீவத்வம் ஜீவத்வம்னு சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கு, ஒன்றும் புரியலையா? ஒன்றும் இல்லை. ஜீவத்வம் என்ன? அதிருப்தி. nirasha, nispriha, dissatisfaction, worry, fear, insecurity, unhappiness, poduma idella jeevatvam da. All these can stay satta and they can exist. All these put together jeevatvam. Asya jeevatvam. This paramatmanaha nijama illamale irikira indha jeevatvam satta ethana naal irukkumna yavat bhranti. As long as bhranti is there, confusion is there, தாவத் ஏவ அந்த டைம் வரைக்கும் தான் இருக்கும் இந்த இன்செக்யூரிட்டி, வர்ரி, சாரோ, எல்லாமே ஃபியர், பயம். அதுலேருந்து நம்ம வெளியில் வரத்துக்கு எவ்வளோ ட்ரை பண்ணுறோம். பயம் வேண்டாம் சுவாமினி, சந்தோஷம் வேணும், துக்கம் வேண்டாம், வெளியில் வரணும், எவ்வளோ ட்ரை பண்ணுறோம். எதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுறோம் சொல்லுங்க. இட் இஸ் நாட் மை நேச்சர். ஐ cannot withstand with limitation. I cannot withstand with insecurity. I cannot withstand with fear. I cannot withstand with a worry. ஸோ அதுக்காக அங்கே இங்கே அலைஞ்சி தேடுறோம். எதுக்காக? எதுல வந்து கொஞ்ச நேரமாவது வெளியில் வரணும். என்ன போடு டிவி என்ன, ஒரு சினிமா பாடு 3 மணி நேரம் யூ ஆர் ஃப்ரீ என்ன. அப்புறம் என்ன, ஆமாம் சினிமா ஆயிடுது, திருப்பி கிச்சன் பக்கம் பார்த்தா எல்லாம் ஒர்க் ரெடியாக இருக்கேன்னு. இதெல்லாம் டெம்பரரி என்ன. அந்த மாதிரி லைக் தட் ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனோ அங்கே போகிறதோ இங்கே போகிறதோ இது மனசு என்ன பண்ணுறோம், கொஞ்சம் டைவர்ட் பண்ணுறோம். எப்போ முயற்சி பண்ணுறோம், இது போகிறதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணணும், வாட் ஐ ஹாவ் டு டூ டு ரிமூவ் திஸ் சாரோன்னு ட்ரை பண்ணணும். ஸோ இன்டெலிஜென்ட் பீப்புள் லைக் யூ தே வில் ட்ரை. அன்இன்டெலிஜென்ட் பீப்புள் they will move in that only, worry continues. So therefore yavat kalam bhrantihi tavadeva asya satta mithya gnano jrumbhitasya pramadat. இந்த அஸ்ய சத்தா, அந்த ஜீவஸ்ய சத்தா எதனால, why it is there? Because மித்யா ஞான விஜృంభిத. ஞானம் வந்து இருக்க, என்ன ஞானம்? மித்யா ஞானம். மித்யா ஞான உஜ்ரும்பிதஸ்ய பிரமாதாத். So the moment this person comes out of that mithya jnanam, that which is vijrumbhanamana, which is there in the mind or intellect, because of ignorance, pramadat means because of ignorance. Once he comes out of that ignorance, pramadat mithya jnanam ujrumbhitasya, once he comes out of that ignorance from that mithya jnanam, no, what is he is seeing mithya, adula irundhu velila varanum, idu mithya nu therinjikanum, idu poyi, idu real illa, this rajju sarpa is not real. Otherwise what will happen? It creates fear in me. See the third line, rajvam sarpaha bhrantikalina eva. When you have imagination, speculation or delusion and the semi-darkness is there, then the bhrantikalina eva sarpaha. And at the time of bhranti alone the sarpa will exist. Once you put the light, it is a sarpa, bhranti will go away. So that sarpa buddhi only at that moment only, it can never exist permanently. Bhrantir nashe, if you put the light, you see it was as a rope. Bhrantihi nashe, sarpa bhrantihi nashe. Once it is a sarpa, that bhranti is destroyed. Sarpaha api na eva, snake is not there at all. அப்பா, இந்த இல்லாத ஸ்னேக் பார்த்தியா, இவ்வளோ பால்பிட்டேஷன் வந்தது, எனக்கு வந்தது இல்லையா பால்பிட்டேஷன்? இல்லாத ஸ்னேக்கு கூட பால்பிட்டேஷன் கிரியேட் பண்ணும். ஸ்வெட்டிங், என்ன ஃபியர் பாருங்க அந்த க்ஷணத்தில், அந்த பிராந்தி. எவ்வளோ நேரம் இருந்தாலும், இஸ் இட் 1 hour ஆர் half an hour, 15 minutes or 10 minutes, 5 minutes or even 2 minutes sufficient, no? That's why we say, அப்போ அந்த 2 நிமிஷத்தில் சுவாமினி எனக்கு ஒன்றும் காலு கையை ஆடவே இல்லை, காலு கையை ஆடவே இல்லைன்னா அது போதும். 2 நிமிஷம் பிராந்தி, இட் மேக்ஸ் பர்சன் so violently disturbed. அதே மாதிரி நம்ம அஜ்ஞானம் கூட, it disturbs the person up and down, always upset. ஏதோ ஒரு சின்ன காரணத்துக்கு மைண்ட் ரொம்ப அப்செட் ஆயிடுது சுவாமி. என்ன பிராந்தி. அப்செட்டுக்கு காரணம் என்ன? பிராந்தி. ஸோ அந்த தப்பான எண்ணத்தினாலதான் இந்த சோகம். சோகத்துக்கு காரணம் என்ன சொல்லிருக்கான்? பிராந்தி. ஸோ எனி டைம் யூ சே ஐ ஆம் அப்செட்னா ஐ ஆம் இன் பிராந்தி என் அர்த்தம். புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. இஃப் ஐ சே ஐ ஆம் ஃப்ரஸ்ட்ரேட்டட், ஐ ஆம் டிப்ரெஸ்ட், ஐ ஆம் டிஸ்டர்ப்ட், ஐ ஆம் வெரி வெரி சேட், பிராந்தி 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 பிராந்தி. பிராந்தி நம்பர் 1, பிராந்தி நம்பர் 2, பிராந்தி. போகணும்னா 1 வருஷம் 2 வருஷம் வாரத்துக்கு 1 நாள் கிளாஸ் 1 hour, அது கொஞ்ச நேரம் வந்தா பத்துமா? That means that's why intense study. That bhranti can be removed only by intense study. Constant, intense, sincere, regular study alone will remove. There is no other way. That is so powerful. Bhrantir nashe sarpahapi na eva tadvat. In the same manner, yavat kalam bhranti hi asti asya jivasya satta. Once the mithya jnanam, this is mithya, and the madri or jnanam vandachana, this pramadat, that ignorance will go away. Which mithya bhavana, which is born out of this ignorance, that will go away by knowledge. And the knowledge, this is mithya. Once the rise of the knowledge, this is unreal. This jiva bhava, my insecurity, my limitation, my problems, my all problems, only because of bhranti. So adu mithya and jnanam varanam. And the jnanam vandala in the ignorance pogum. Adhyasa, then bhranti. Ajnanathinal adhyasa. Adhyasa is nothing but bhranti. Everything will go away. அது எப்படி போகும்னு கேட்காதுங்க. The moment you are listening, something will happen in the intellect. அதுதான் Shastra says. You go on listening, all your notions will be corrected. One by one, corrected. It is not visible. But you can see, after a long run of studies, you can see there is a change in your lifestyle. Lifestyle means in your perception. And your worry will reduce, your sorrow will reduce, your limitations will reduce, your insecurity will reduce, anandam, trupti, allame vandadum. That will happen. It happened to many people who have studied Shastra. Why not for me? If I study also, it will happen to me also. Why not? Next sloka. 198. So, nashaha means is what? There is no physically destruction. Physical destruction will never happen. That is called adhisthana avaseshaha. Just you have not destroyed that snake. What snake? Rope snake. You have not done anything. Just you have switched on the light. Proper light in that sarpa go away illa. There is no sarpa to go away. So, sarpa is not there at all, jnanam will take place. So, what avasesha, what remains? Adhishtanam rajjuhu remains. Anga rajjuhu remains. Inga enna remains? Aham Paramatma remains. Adida adhishtana avaseshaha. Aham Brahma asmi. Aham Jivaha na asmi. Aham Brahma asmi. This knowledge, that is called adhishtana avaseshaha hi nashaha. Iti uchyate. That is why jnana janya moksham. Moksha means free from all this. All this and telusa nama list. Samsara list. So, jnana janya, whatever born out of jnanam, that jnana janya moksha is eternal. It will never go, it is shashvatam. Samadhi janya moksha hai anityam. Nidra தூக்கத்தில் கூட ஆனந்தமாக தான் இருக்கேன். பட் அது என்ன, 4 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours. காலையில் எழுந்த உடனே சம்சாரா பிகின். ஞானம் வந்து அப்படி இல்லை. ஞானம் வந்து இட் இஸ் எட்டர்னல், சாஸ்வதம். ஸோ யூ டிசைட், யூ வாண்ட் சாஸ்வத மோக்ஷா, ஞானஜன்ய சாஸ்வத மோக்ஷா ஆர் டெம்பரரி. There are people, they give temporary moksha. Temporary moksha na andanda time ku sukhama santoshama irukum. So we andha madri irundirundha kaalam thallinde irupom. Some people, they will, that is called time pass. Time pass lectures, time pass programs, time pass meditation. Ange crash course ella nadakkuradhu illaya. You come and attend this குண்டலினி யோகா, SKYF, ASKYF, என்னென்னமோ FFF எல்லாம் போடுறான். அந்த 2 மணி நேரம் 3 மணி நேரம் பிரமாதமா இருக்கும் சுவாமினி. அப்பா என்ன ஆனந்தம்னு சொல்லவே முடியல. அப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர் 3 hours என்னன்னா போச்சு, என்ன கோர்ஸ் இஸ் ஓவர், ஐ ஹவ் கம் டு அகைன் சேம் பெவிலியான். என்னுடைய மாதிரி சம்சாரம் இதுதான். இது வந்து அசாஸ்வதம், அனித்யம். Immature people vote for that and they will waste their life. Mature people, they try for, they put the effort for jnana janya moksha, which is shashvatam, eternal. So non-thinking people all will go to ashashvata moksha. அதுக்காக பண்ற highly educated people என்ன நினைக்கிறாரு நீங்க? all are highly educated people, sophisticated people. ஏன்னா கொஞ்சம் தகராறு திங்க் பண்ணலாம், அவ்வளவுதான், போச்சு, ஓவர் லைஃப் பை தட் டைம். சரி உட்காரு. ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் ஞானஜன்ய மோக்ஷா வேணும். அங்கேயே உட்காருங்க, அப்படியே டோன்ட் கெட் அப் இம்மீடியட்லி. Jnana-janya moksha alone is important. I want that only. I don't want temporary moksha. If I go to temporary moksha, if I come back, life is more miserable. எப்படி அமெரிக்கா போய் வந்த மாதிரி அப்படி இருக்கும். கொஞ்ச நாள் அமெரிக்கா வீசா ஆயின உடனே போன்னு சொல்லுவான். யாருக்கு வேணும் அந்த மாதிரி? நான் படிச்சோமோ இந்த படிக்கல. 198 அநாதித்வமவித்யாயாஹ அநாதித்வமவித்யாயாஹ கார்யஸ்யாபி ததேஷ்யதே உத்பன்னாயாம் து வித்யாயாம் அவித்யாயாம் नित्यकमनाद्यपि प्रबोधे स्वप्नवत् सर्वम् सह मूलं विनश्यति अनाद्यपीदं नो नित्यम् प्रागभाव इव स्फुटम् This Tarikika people, logic, Nayayikas, they never accept this mithya category. It is Sat, it is neither Sat nor Asat. So Sadasad Vilakshanam Brahma, all what you are seeing is a mithya category, we say. But this mithya category he will not accept. நான் ஒத்துக்க மாட்டேன் இந்த மித்யானது நீ இல்லை இது சங்கரா he has found this word, coined this word. There is no mithya category at all, they say. Shankaracharya says, see, நான் சொன்ன மித்யா வந்து அந்த கேட்டகரி இல்லையேன்னு சொல்றீங்க. What is that? Anadihi Santaha. Mithya is that. What is the definition we have given? Mithya is that which is anadi, beginningless, and which has got an end. Anadihi santaha. That is mithya. This is our Shankaracharya's statement. அந்த மாதிரி மித்யா அன்னது கிடையவே கிடையாது. அனாதி அண்ட் சாந்தா அன்னது கிடையவே கிடையாதுன்னு இவர் சொல்றார் தார்க்கிகன். அப்போ Shankaracharya attacks that person. You see, you also have one category which is anadihi and which is santaha. Hey Nayayika, you also have a category which is called anadi as well as santaha. When you have that category, why can't I have this category? What is wrong in that? I will show yours. So therefore don't negate my mithya category. So just as you say anadi santaha, you have given coined one name, that is pragabhava, he says. Pragabhava. So in the fourth line, that's why I read these two verses together. Pragabhava. So he says, before going to that, now we'll see the 198th shloka. Anaditvam avidyayaha. Avidyayaha means this avidya, ignorance is beginningless. Anaditvam, it is beginninglessness. Anaditvam means beginninglessness of that ignorance. Avidyayaha karyasya. Karyasya means bhranti. What is the product of avidya? Bhranti. Where there is ignorance, there is confusion. The child. Karya means a product. Product, reason, cause is avidya. Avidya is the cause, karanam. Avidyayaha karyasya. Karyam is what? Bhranti. Ignorance is the cause, and bhranti, the delusion, confusion is the karyam. So karyasya means bhranti anartham. Tatha ishyate. In the same manner, we say tatha ishyate, we take it as bhrantihi. Vidyayam utpannayam. Once the vidya, at the time of the knowledge, vidyayam, avidya na ignorance. What is the opposite to the ignorance? Knowledge. So that's called vidyayam. And the vidyayam means what? at the time of their arrival of knowledge. At the time of the arrival of knowledge, vidyayam utpannayam, and the time anadyapi avidyakam vinashyati. Even though this avidya is anadi, it is beginningless. Anadi api anadyapi. Even though it is beginningless, what will happen to that? This avidyakam, this avidya, the vinashyati from the next verse you have to supply here. Avidya vinashyati. The moment knowledge comes, I am listening from my guru, my avidya will slowly go away. After long time, it will go away. Long time we should not disappoint. Parvali, after long time, Varuma Swamini, Apri Solan. That is called willpower. That is called patience, kshamana. That is called lot of titiksha, waiting for that knowledge. Oru naadu oru milliyo podum appadi sollitelle, that is enough for me. That's why this is called positive right thinking with full hope. I have to study. என்னமோ ரொம்ப நாள்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க, நான் இருப்பேனோ இல்லக்க மாட்டானோ இப்படியெல்லாம் நினைக்க கூடாது. அப்படி இருந்தா மோட்சமே வராது. ரொம்ப ஆசையோட எனக்கு வரலன்னு யாருக்கு வரும்? என்னோட சுவாமி கண்டிப்பா எனக்கு நாலேஜ் தருவான். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஹோப்ல, பாசிட்டிவ் ஹோப்ல இருக்கணும். அந்த ஹோப்லெஸ்ஸா இருக்கக்கூடாது. புரியுறதா? So therefore avidyakam anadyapi vinashyati. Epo vidyayam utpannayam. Here utpannayam means we have to understand very important thing. In the utpatti another eppadi nadakkuradena. There are 4 types of utpadanam. There are 4 types of utpadanam. There is a beautiful sloka, the Shankaracharya in these verses, based on what sloka he has written, that sloka tells, Seyam Bhrantihi Niralamba. First line. Saha Iyam Bhrantihi Niralamba. Seyam Bhrantihi Niralamba. How can this Bhranti will go? This Bhranti, it has no alambanam. It has no support. Saha Iyam Bhrantihi Niralamba. It has no support at all. Second line, Sarva Nyaya Virodhini. This Bhranti is opposite to all Nyaya, means inquiry. Sarva Nyaya, reasoning, rational thinking, logically if you probe into that, inquiry. Nyaya means what? Inquiry. What is this? What is this? What is this? I have to inquire. That's why Sarva Nyaya Virodhini. This Bhranti cannot stay there. It is against to the Nyaya. Nyaya means, don't take the Tarka Shastra here. Nyaya means logical inquiry, reasoning. Third line, Sahate na vicharam ya. This mithya cannot withstand with vichara. Vichara means nama Tamil vicharam kadayadu. Adu namakku erkanave irukku. Vicharam means inquiry. Inquiry இந்த பிராந்தி கிட்ட தாங்க முடியாதுதான். இந்த பிராந்திக்கு என்கொயரி வந்த உடனே ஓடி போயிடுமா. ந சஹதே விசார விசாரம் யா. This Bhranti cannot withstand once the person start doing inquiry through Shruti support. Once the person starts inquiry By the Shruti support, with the help of the Guru, in the Bhranti enna pannuma, na poitu varen, ingella na irukka mudiyadhu. You already started thinking. Na enga irukka mudiyum Bhranti, thinking pannal. I will be in the people who are not thinking. Otherwise I cannot stay. So I need some people who are not thinking. Bhranti solluma. Chumma solla. Don't think Bhranti will talk. Bhranti na sahate vicharam yana. And the vicharam inquiry pannitam and the Bhranti like this snow doll, no? It melts in front of the sun. Here our gives example, Tamo yadvad divakaram. Divakaram enna Surya Bhagavan. And the Surya Bhagavan vanda udane இந்த tamas enna pannuma? நான் இருக்க முடியாதப்பா, அவர் வந்துட்டாரே, நான் போயிடுறேன். Therefore, wherever there is sunshine, there darkness cannot exist. So our Bhranti is also compared to darkness. So therefore, Tamo yadvat divakaram. Tamaha, this darkness cannot stay there when the sun comes. Adu madri, your vichara is like a sunshine. Your Bhranti is like a tamas, darkness will go away. That's why thinking people and channadu puriyarda ipo nyaya vicharam. Just like that, it will not go the Bhranti, only by proper analysis, mimamsa, analysis. Systematically I have to analyze. I have to open my mind to the teaching. Appadi magnet madri suck pannanu whole teaching from the Guru. Magnet madri suck pannanu enna ardham? Magnet ku evvala power irukku? What a power it has got. So the pure mind, a sharp intellect, a disciplined mind is like a magnet. Once the Guru is go on talking, this mind gets very, very sharpened. After long listening, whatever Guru says, they are very, very clear. Very, very clear. It will become. That is, the Shravanam does that. So therefore this shloka is very beautiful. Now this kriya, utpadanam, utpannayam. Utpadanam means a creation. It is a action, kriya. There are 4 types of kriyas are possible. This vidya never come under any kriya. Very, very important. People are telling, see, Atma Jnanam is created. It is created in the mind of the student and it is never created. And the creation enna 4 vidhamana creation irukke. Number 1, utpadyam, exact creation. Literally, if you take utpadanam, utpadyam, literal meaning is creating like a pot. Ghatadikam is called utpadanam. Created the desk, created the pot, created the house. This is a type of utpadanam. Okay? So this is comes under action. This is one type of action. Utpadanam, utpadyam. Number 2, prapyam. Action is involved in prapyam, means Shastra examples, all these are. Shastra gives reaching from one village to another village, traveling, entering or reaching to a village. There is action involved. That is called prapyam. I have reached, prapyam and reached. I have reached from T Nagar to West Mambalam. I have reached from T Nagar or from West Mambalam to T Nagar. Prapyam. Either bus or car or by number 11. What is number 11? Kale. Nadandu varadu. This is prapyam. Now I have reached T Nagar. T Nagar prapyam means I have reached T Nagar. Action involved. So this is one type. of kriya. Number 3, samskaryam. Samskaryam. The kriya is involved in samskara, like purifying the puja dravyam by mantra. Samskaram pandrathu. Idella pandrathu, prokshanam pandrathu. All this they are purifying anamata. Veetla kuda nama solluvame samskaram pandrathu. Puja punyavachanam, puja பண்ணும்போது கூட we will sprinkle water. It's a action is involved in that. Samskaryam comes under a kriya, third type of kriya. And fourth type of kriya is vikaryam. Vikaryam means modification. There is a kriya involved. Milk becoming the curds. There is a modification, vikaryam. So there is action involved in that. These are the 4 types of kriyas. One is utpadyam, number 2 is prapyam, number 3 is samskaryam, number 4 is vikaryam. This Atma Jnanam will not come under any one of this. That is very important. Atma Jnanam is neither utpadyam, Atma Jnanam is neither prapyam nor samskaryam. Atma Jnanam is not a samskaryam. It is not a purification process. Atma Suddhi anu pandra. Adukku da idella nama therinjukkanum. It is not a purification process. It is not a vikara. The jiva mulla mappai paramatmana ahara anna. It will become a paramatma slowly anna. Enna achana. Vikaryam Swami, jiva gone. Jiva hood gone. Brahman hood come anna. Enna achana vikaram, something happened anna. Nothing will happen. No vikaryam. Why? Now apply to Dashtanga. Number 1, since Atma is eternal, it is not created. It is not utpadyam. Next class I will explain, just note down. Number 2, since Atma is all pervading, you need not travel to get that Atma. Since Atma is all pervading, you need not travel to get that Atma or Atma Jnanam. Atma Jnana edukkaha to attain Atma dane. Number 3, since Atma is ever pure, it need not be purified. Since Atma is ever pure, it need not be purified. Last one, since Atma is nirvikaram, it will never change. So all 4 kriyas are negated. Dwell upon this. Next class we are going to see more deeper nyaya. So therefore be prepared and come. Tarka you are going to study next class. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Guru